Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. I've got yet another thorn in my finger, or splinter or something now. Here you can just see, there it is. This little black guy here. And I think it went in this way. So I'm going to try and chase it with a pin. I'm hoping it'll be quick. I think it's not too far in, but it's quite irritating. I was wire brushing something and I have a feeling it's a bit of wire wool or something like that, or wire brush bristle. That's it. Very easy, under a minute there. Can you see that? So, a bit of Dettol or something now, or some kind of a sterilising thing to clean up that, but there's no blood, so let's give it a shake. I've lost the thing there. Let's give it a squeeze, see if we get anything out of it. Like, it's not even gone beneath the skin, so I don't think there's any risk of any infections there. Why do I get so many splinters? Lord only knows, but if you like this kind of video, I have loads more in the Thorns and Splinters playlist. Thanks for watching. See you later.